Welcome to RSK Solution. In this video, we are going to explain you how you can install wall-mounted heater for the toilet. As you can see, we have 2000 watt of heater for the wall-mounted. First, we are going to open you and show you how it is, and then we are going to tell you how you can make installation. Maybe your one is not exactly the same, but the installation is same. As you can see, we have on switch here, on and off, on right side. Then we have one side, we have LED screen, we have the cable. It's very lightweighted, you can hold it very easily. These are the places to make the screws, and here we have this switch. First you need to check the distance, how much distance we have between the screws. Mostly we install them in the middle of the door. You need to find out the middle, and then you need to make a mark how much the heater should be height. Then we are going to mark it for the screws, make sure the measurement is very exactly. Then we're going to use the level, so the heater should be in the level. Make sure all the dots are very exactly. Then we are going to make the holes. Whenever you make the hole in the tile, very carefully, you should not going to damage the tile. Then we are going to make the fissures. Now you can see the fissures are ready. Now we are going to make the screws. Whenever you make the screws, do not close them completely, leave a bit of distance, and again when it's ready, check it. Then we are going to put the heater on the place. We're going to check the screws are on the same place where we want it. You can see both of them, make sure they are on exactly the same place. Then we're going to put the heater on the place, and we're going to push it on the one side, so like this is going to be hold up. Now you can see it's become good. Both of them, they are same. To make a connection between the cable and between the water heater, we are going to use a junction box. Whenever you have to make a connection in the toilet somewhere you have humidity, you must have to use a junction box like this. We're going to put a screwdriver so we can make the holes, so we can pass the cables. First we're going to cut the extra cable. Then we can cut a bit like this, and then we're going to put it inside the box, and then we're going to strip it out like that. And same way we're going to do with the heater wire. We're going to strip them as well and prepare them to make a China connector. Now you can see they are like this. Then we're going to make the China connector. This is the best thing to make a connection between two wires. We're going to put them live, earth and neutral. Make sure the connection is very good. You tie them very well, the screws. Now you can see the China connector is ready. We're going to put it inside the junction box like that, and then we're going to make it the cover of the junction box. Press it good and make sure the junction box is closed very well. After this, we're going to use a double-sided tape so we can hold it with the wall. Make the double-sided tape and press it good so it can stick with the wall. Now you can see the installation is ready. We have a remote to control it. We're going to turn on the supply, and we also need to remove this plastic so the remote going to work. You can see we have a lot of option on it. It depends on you which model you are going to use it. We are going to turn it on. Now you can see it's working. You can select the program depending on your choice. Now you can see it's working. It's depending on the model, which model are you going to use it, but mostly the installation is the same and the principle is the same. So leave it for a while so you can make sure all the connections are good and is working properly. You can check all the functions, they are working. Even this model you can control with the mobile phone and also with the remote. You need to check all of the things, make sure the connection is good and is working properly. This is the heater. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.